Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Bitcoin at number 1, followed by Ethereum, BNB, Solana, XRP, Cardano, and then we'll end it with Dogecoin at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Bitcoin against USDT. So here we are for BTC. Again, always remember that as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with our bullish bias. However, we're already overbought. We're quite overbought. We're severely overbought. So there should be some sort of an easing coming on for BTC, but we still don't see it yet. Things are still uber bullish, right? If you look at the weekly candlesticks here, bro, it's still a big green candlestick. So yeah, we're still leaning towards the bullish side of things. You will know that if it's the end is when the volume starts rising, right? Look over here. Volume will be a very good indicator of when it starts and when it ends, right? So I think there's still more upside. I don't see any signs of a bearishness yet. This was bearish, but this was bullish and it negated the shooting star. So again, we remain with a bullish bias for BTC, and we expect more upside, right? We're still above the skinny pink line, so more upside to be expected for BTC. ETH against BTC. Here we are for ETH. Okay, ETH seems to be dropping. How low are we gonna go? We don't know. Again, so we were wondering whether if this is going to be a consolidation for a break above the skinny pink line. Right, this will confirm the bullishness of Ethereum if it did happen. But if we take out these lows, and we take out these lows as well, then we could be heading much lower for Ethereum, right? We could be going past 0.04. We're 0.054 at the moment, so it's important to keep an eye on FBTC. I suspect there will be strong support as we approach this low and also this low. So we're gonna have to wait and see how it goes, right? Best case scenario is we squeeze around here. We find valleys, valley 1, valley 2, valley 3. We break the skinny pink line. That kind of move for FBTC would be awesome, right? And it will confirm the strength of Ethereum. Against USD, Ethereum has been super duper uber bullish. We're above the... We're quite overbought though, to be honest. How much higher could we go? My guess is around 3006. It's the next level, right? We're heading towards a very noisy area. So there's going to be strong resistance, right? We were saying that once we take out the right shoulder, right, just take this out. Take out the top of the right shoulder, we'll consider our 666 target to be invalidated. The move up for ETH has not been that obvious. I mean, sure, you can, find chart patterns and all, but it's just not really that clean. Not as clean as we were hoping, but yeah, it is still, a bullish trend nevertheless, right? And it is also, again, not so clean because we crossed the skinny pink line before going back up. So it's like, okay. Anyway, for ETH/USD, severely overbought, right? So it would not be wise to make purchases into Ethereum when it's overbought. We'll have to wait for the retrace. I suspect a retrace is going to come. It's either going to come in March or in April during the Bitcoin halving. So which means that the Bitcoin halving could actually be a bull trap. Potentially a bull trap, but we're not too sure yet. So we are taking things one step at a time for Bitcoin and Ethereum. BNB against BTC. Here we are for BNB. We were hoping for a squeeze, but it did not come yet. We did not take out these highs, so the squeeze is kind of still valid. So we're hoping that we do reverse back up. But this is looking to me like a mountain range, mountains, go lower, right? I mean, of course, if we go higher, then this is gonna start looking like valleys again. We're kind of in a conundrum, right? So neither bullish, neither bearish, consolidating, and we're waiting for the next break. Usually, if the preceding trend is bullish, we're expecting the subsequent trend to be bullish. But there's strong resistance over here, right, at the gigantic head and shoulders here. We were saying that once we take out the highs, we'll consider this as invalidated, highs of the right shoulder. But have we taken it out yet? Nope. We're still marking around at a resistance. So break resistance, break skinny pink line, take out the right shoulder. That's it. Things switch bullish for BNB. Especially, I mean, if you want to go long on a certain coin, it has to show strength against BTC. Otherwise, your money will be better put into BTC. BNB against USDT. Here we are for BNB. Anything for that? Yeah, super duper bullish. A breakout from $300. We were in a consolidation over here. We're out. More upside for BNB. We have another target over here around 500. We're 414 right now, so another roughly $80 more to go. But again, just like Ethereum, we're also very overbought. So I suspect that a retrace may not be too far away. If you look at history, every time we go into overbought, right, there will be a correction. Overbought, right, there will be a correction. You see that? Now we are also very overbought. A correction, right? Yeah, soon. I think there will be a correction soon. When? Again, we're not too sure. We are not too sure. We're very, very extended. So yeah, it's just normal to expect a retracement eventually. If we continue to push the price higher without a proper correction, then again, like I was saying, very likely there could be a bull trap during the Bitcoin halving. Potentially. So yeah, I know a lot of people are still very bullish about things, but I don't know. We'll see. Sol against BTC. Here we are for Sol. Okay, so Sol is in a falling channel. How much lower are we gonna go? I'm not too sure. Again, there was a shooting star over here, but it's a green one. So I'm like, if you move over to the weekly, you will see that there is indecision, right? It's not exactly a doji, not exactly a long-legged doji, but still you can see wicks at the top and also wicks at the bottom. Indecision. There's buying pressure. There is selling pressure as well. So for Sol BTC, yeah, we're in a correction, right? But this is looking to me like a hammer. Feels like a hammer to me, right? And you look at this, there's volume accompanying this move. So I suspect there will be strong support over here. And Solana will probably, again, pure guessing, that will retrace towards 0.618, right? Around that area. And then we'll see some sort of a reversal back up for Sol BTC. And if Sol BTC is reversing back up, very likely you're going to see Sol USD continue higher. We have a resistance area around 160 plus minus around this area, right? It's a bit congested because of the noisy area over here. So my guess is around 170. Around 170, and after that, I think there should be a retrace. My fear is that the retracement could be a very deep one as we come down for a potential wave C. Right, this will be brutal though. I get a DE before we go higher. Right, proper accumulation. Will we? Again, we're not too sure. We are just not too sure. So yeah, we have to proceed with caution. It's scary though. I can already see 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're close to the end. Solana. So yeah, this is not a buying season. I can also see double bearish. Higher highs on the price, but lower highs on the MACD. Lower highs on the RSI. We're hitting a high resistance area, so be very, very careful about rushing into a trade for Solana at this point of time. XRP against BTC. Here we are for XRP. Anything for XRP? No. It still continues to lose its dominance, right, against BTC. It's just down. You would have been, better served putting your money into BTC instead of XRP. Look at how far down it has gone. There's a noisy area over here, so we're hoping that there could be some sort of a buying pressure, but we don't see it yet, so we're not going to be rushing into anything until we see evidence of whales stepping in. XRP against USD is still looking to me very scary. Mountain ranges over here. We could hit lower, right? But of course, at the same time, we could also get a symmetrical, potentially, right? A, B, C, D. Consolidate here a little bit for E. Pum, we continue higher. Right, and if XRP USD continues higher, then this means that XRP BTC could be about to complete its downward move. Once it completes its downward move, we're expecting, again, something like an A, B, very long drawn out C, D, E, and then pump. We go higher. That's the expectation. But if I were to take a trade for XRP against BTC or even against USD, I will probably be late until I see, again, clarity. Still not entirely sure. So a consolidation is welcomed. We would love to see it if we get a high quality accumulation around this area. It'll be awesome. So we'll have to wait and see for XRP. ADA, what's up, Charles? ADA against BTC. Okay, ADA against BTC seems to be springing up to life, right? If you look at a weekly for ADA BTC, there's buying pressure coming in. You see this volume? You see this? There's buying pressure, yo. More upside? Yes, we're expecting more upside for ADA. And ADA BTC is looking pretty good. Yes, we are marking around the skinny pink line. But if you look at the picture pattern for ADA against BTC, this is a very big high quality, symmetrical, big one, very big. So yeah, don't fade Charles, yo. Never fade Charles. I still think that there's more upside to come for ADA BTC, right? We could go all the way back up to 4.6 though. There'll be another 286%. If we are going to fly 286% for ADA BTC, we're going to fly even higher for ADA USD, right? And things are continuing bullishly for ADA. We've had a target over here, 125, since the 11th of December 2023, and we still expect more upside for ADA. Once we broke out of the resistance, we consolidated a little while, rose higher, had a falling channel, continuing its move towards the upside. Super bullish, eh? You can see it against the ADA BTC. You want to be in coins where it's gaining strength against BTC. Otherwise, you're better served in BTC. So ADA is looking pretty good. So 125 is our target. I suspect we're going to go past 125. We're probably going to take out the clusters of buys here. So 165, yeah, eventually we're going to go to this noisy area. Eventually. So yeah, $2 is the eventual target that we have for ADA USD, right? If we go up, yeah, this will be this will be about 200%, 220%. We're at 80 cents right now. 125 is still another 40 cents away. Yeah, another 60 over percent. But we're already overbought. You don't go into coins when you're overbought. You go into coins when they're oversold. So you gotta be waiting for an opportunity before making a move for ADA. We're still expecting more upside. So there you go. That's our take for Cardano. Dogecoin. Oof, Dogecoin is also coming back to life. Doge against BTC. Okay, we're already moving very bullishly as we speak. Any signs of a clear reversal yet? Nope. So things are still very slanted. Right? We could just zip up and fall all the way back down. So we need to do something like this, right? If you look at Dogecoin against BTC, we formed a very strong foundation, right? Very strong foundation before breaking out. And once we broke out, yeah, we never came back. Again, would be great if we build a strong foundation here as well. Falling channel would be awesome. So we could be going towards the resistance area, right? Probably at around 400 plus. We're at 200 at the moment, and we're already overbought. So I'd preach caution. We are breaking the skinny pink line. We need to see proper consolidation first. So maybe an inverse head and shoulders over here, right? But we still need to consolidate a little while before continuing higher, right? Only then would it be considered as sustainable, right? Even if you did spike out, there's also a chance that we could spike back down, right? There's also a chance we could come all the way back down. So build that foundation first. We need to see that foundation. Doge against USDT. Yeah, it's breaking out. A, B, C, D, E, out. Target 30 cents. We've got this target since 4th of March, so more upsides to be expected. We were aware previously that, hey, this could turn bearish. Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 3. But we didn't drop. Instead, yeah, again, we were saying that for Dogecoin, you can see it from two lenses. You can see it from bullish lenses or from bearish lenses. So from a bullish perspective, the target is at 30 cents. So more upsides to be expected. And I would not expect us to get a new high. Right? This is a very solid foundation. You see it? Yeah, go sideways for a while, build a nice foundation, have a nice breakout, wait for the retrace, enter the retrace, wait for the targets to be hit. We're probably going to go past 30 cents though. We're probably going to take out all of these highs here. That's the expectation for Dogecoin. So yeah, more upsides to be expected. We're probably going to go to 40, close to 50 cents, I think. But anyway, we're already 16 cents. So any opportunity to put on trades for Dogecoin? Not at the moment. So be careful about rushing to a trade too soon for Dogecoin. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 10. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!